So the basic shape of this character is like this. Uh, Small small heads and the big body, big body. The oval, I just draw the basic shape like this, the line like the balance line, okay, and the leg is like this. This is the basic shape, this shape, and the hand it is this both sides. We can take the hand both sides like that much hand, and here hand, another hand. Okay, the basic shapes I draw, very simple. Okay, so we can create the character from this. So let's check the character. I just make the line over here, the eyes line. Okay. Like I make this glass. And this big nose. The old character. Okay, and this I make the hairstyle like the old professor or old master teacher, this kind of shapes. This line always I create the ear. Always the eyes line, you can create the ear. Okay. The old man, so that's why this some expression like this. See, I just creating. I not shape the change. Lots of shapes. Almost I maintain that same shape. So it looks old man. Okay, like this. Here. So it creates a line. The you can create the sketch is very important. If you are daily practice the sketching, you will develop amazing character. So I can make some bag because this look like a teacher. Remember that everybody's have some teacher like this. The side bag, old school teacher. Everybody, I remember some teacher in my school is like this. So I just remember and do this. One teacher, this name is Kalaram Babu. Kalaram sir is the very dark skin that sir, but very very influence. I like a lot. I learn lot of things. This sir, and I remember this sir face and the dresses, and I just try to show you this sir. Always wearing the pajama, especially in Bengal. I belong to Bengal, so the pajama and dhoti is a common uh, dresses. What about this ma'am, Lalita ma'am in Odisha, the school teacher, they're wearing short pant or some dhoti, Punjabi, what kind of, mainly?
Both shirt pant, dhoti and kurta.
Short pant and all. English medium school teacher not wearing short pant, but normal school Hindi medium or Bengali medium they are wearing these things. I hope the normal
So one teacher and
math teacher,
music teacher.
music teacher, right, right, yeah, yeah, art teacher, music teacher, they are wearing this. So can you match the character any? It is a normal character. No, you can see this character in road, the market, especially the teacher kind of the character there. So I just create the basic shape of this. Can you imagine that are the basic shapes I modify? Right? This is the basic shape. So this shape too creating this character. That is the strong points, So you can make it this shape. Again for you can create your own ideas. So actually we are observing when I go to uh, vegetable markets or grocery markets. Uh, so I observe the character, the old man, the young lady, uh, young man, baby, how react, what is the say, and I keep my mind, okay, and I create my character design on it. I can create that character. Okay, this actually you can draw. Okay, this is the safe, basic shape. Your own ideas. I show you once, and this is your ideas. So I just leave 5 minutes. First pick the safe, and then I can do one character here also. Another character, the same shape but another character. So before I show this character, old fat man images. So this character to this. So basic shape is that like this. Like this. That's the basic shape. Okay. From this shape is character coming. The same character. Okay. I take reference from real reference from this and creating something amazing character. And I creating another characters. I show you. See how exciting character you can do this face. how fun face you can do any character with this. This is really amazing experience if you are doing this. Either so slim, either so fat. These two things you can do very fun character. I see there's some character walking. That's the character I want to draw. But I don't know where it is going. No. Yeah, this character. So I can make the same character inside how looks it is. So inside is coming like this. First oval, this is body, so I can make it like this. If I make the side, the one leg is like this, another leg is like this. Okay, that's the same character if I make the side portrait. See, first I make the body, the head, this is torso, this is the pelvis. From pelvis I make the another leg, another leg. So see, I just creating here. Character look like this. The old man. Okay, this is simple. See this one. Okay. The fat man. Okay. I make little bit of modification, not the copy. Otherwise, it looks bad, no? If I copy it directly. Same character if he's going to the out this line, or different character. I draw the hair in front. So I can create this character over here with the shoes. And the another leg is like this, so you can make it. Little far distance this is. So I just try every week something new showing. And this thing is for me, it is a very, I like it lots. Character designing of animations movie. Okay, the fun. So I hope you enjoy that. It is a very informative class. How you create your character. In normal classes, you can't learn this one. I am an animator and concept artist, designer. So whatever I experience later, take my office, Byju's, other MNCs all over the world. So I just get the experience with this, and I try to share all those experience, how to character design, how to realistic drawing, how to hyper realistic drawing, how to draw animation. So whatever experience I gathered, I want to share you in a very easy way, just fun way. So this character is coming for this basic way, oval, this oval, and this, isn't it? See, this is the basic steps. If you do the basic step like this, you can easily draw this character. That's easy it is. Okay, take time.